Hello.
Hello, Jessica.
What's your name?
I'm Autumn.
Good girl.
I'm Nico.
Good. How old are you?
I'm.
Are you 9 or 10? I don't know. Hey Jack, how old are first graders or second graders? Oh, so I'm 9 years old.
I'm 9 years old.
What's your favorite color?
Huh?
Favorite color?
뭐야?
무슨 색깔 좋아해요?
분홍색. 저기.
You know this.
핑.
How about you? You like pink too?
Okay.
High five. Okay, let's give a good class. Go sit down.